There she is.
I don't know, it's pretty cute. It's very matchy-matchy.
In other news, I've sloppily packed for Miami. I used to live there. The evening, I'm gonna go, ooh! It's time to open some packages. So I got, hello everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I am really excited because today's Monday. I have my final interview today. I'm a little bit nervous, but again, rocking the cropped blazer. I actually buttoned it today because the dress underneath was like a little bit more revealing than I would have liked. So I have that. It's a quick 30 minutes, locked and loaded. I'm gonna take a long walk and then I have Pilates later. It was downpouring this weekend, so it'll be a really nice change of pace to have the sun out and be able to walk outside. I just felt so cramped and like, ugh. So I'm gonna do that. But wish me luck, and I'm hoping that after filming this clip sometime this week or next, I will have an offer. And if not, there will be a different intro. So peace and love. It is that time where I'm going to make my green juice. I'm a big green juice girl, but I cannot afford to spend 10, 15, gosh knows how much money on green juice. So I make it at home. Now the downside of making it at home is that you usually need like a big juicer, which I don't have, and you need a lot of ingredients, which I do have. So I'm gonna use my trusty nut milk bag. This is basically a juicer. It's got these really, really fine mesh holes, and you can just juice and strain whatever you'd like. So you can make green juice, you can make ginger shots with lemon and cayenne, you can make anything your heart desires. With these guys, it's just a little messy. So I don't like a sweet juice. If you like a sweet juice, add a banana to this, either half or a whole, and it should help give it a little bit of sugar. Or orange juice is another good one you can add, but I'm using baby spinach. I have chopped frozen kale. The frozen greens really do make a game changer if you find that your greens are going bad too fast in the fridge. A whole lemon. I have this random carrot that I'm gonna use, and then some celery and ginger. Now lucky for me, I kind of just throw whatever we have in the fridge that needs to be used up, so like random salad greens, or if we have kale or spinach, it's easy to just throw into the blender and then juice her, which is what we're gonna do right now. Juice is done. I know she's not as cute, but I like to portion this out into a smaller cup to actually drink. And then I put a little bit of water on top because sometimes it can be a little bit strong and kind of hurts my tummy. So water it down if you need to, if it's a little too strong or it just kind of irritates your stomach. This much juice, I'm just gonna top it off. And there you go. Cheers, guys. There she is. Pink and blue. Here's the view. Wowzas. Trying to walk away from the copyrighted music. But tonight we are grilling on the roof. Very excited. It's definitely a little chilly, as you can see. I'm wearing my vest and a cashmere sweater and Uggs and sweats. It's hard because it's not super cold, but it's windy. Wind, man, my least favorite weather. But check out the view. Can't be mad at it. Final product, lamb chop, cauliflower, a ramp sauce, and then I also made a quick little side salad. And we've got a little yogurt sauce to go with our lamb. Good morning, everyone. I just had my cup of coffee and it's time to get dressed for the day. I'm going to a dermatology appointment, and then I have a final interview today, my second one this week. I'm going to the derm to get my mole checked out. This guy here, it's a new mole. It doesn't look like any of the other moles that I have. I'm kind of thinking that I want to remove it, although they really warn you to not remove any moles on your face because the scarring can be really bad. So I'm going to talk to my derm about what my options are. And then I also have one on the side of like my foot, which again is just like, it's a normal mole and it's quite small, but it's just a weird spot to have one and can be a little bit dangerous, especially when you're in the sun. You don't think about putting sunscreen on like the side of your foot as much as you do your face and your body, right? So I'm gonna go get that checked out. And then I also wanted to get a prescription for azelaic acid. You guys can kind of see here, I have a little bit of melasma, which is sun damage. and acne scarring, which azelaic acid can be really good for, and if my insurance covers it, I'm like, why not? I've also been really adamant about walking versus taking the subway, so I'm just gonna take the subway to the first stop and then walk all the way there. It's about a 20-minute walk, but it's just such a beautiful day outside, so I'm like, why not? Let's do it. It's so weird. I used to live there, and I haven't been back in like so long, but I literally used to live there at 3:30. Hello everyone, I'm back home now from the dermatologist. I love my dermatologist. Every time I go see him, he's just a fabulous human being. Always cracks me up and has like really good bedside manner. So always, it's like a fun time to go there, you know, and I get to ask him all my questions about skincare. If you haven't gone to the derm, I highly recommend going because my skin has completely transformed since going to the derm and getting a prescription grade. I've tried the Sephora route, I've tried the Ulta or the, you know, like drugstore branded things. It works fine, but it's a lot of trial and error, and I'd rather just use prescription strength the dermatologist tested and approved. But I realize not everyone has, I guess, complicated skin. Mine is just very complicated, so I felt the need to go to a derm because I struggle, you know, with acne, with dry patches, with large pores, with oily skin, with sun damage, and all sorts of things that make it a little bit more high maintenance than just, you know, someone with a normal skin type who doesn't have as many issues. And if you are that person, I'm jealous of you because I wish that was my scenario. So good news is this thing was just a weird like skin growth, not a mole or even a freckle, just like a growth that can come when you get older. So we just did some liquid nitrogen and froze that baby off, which is amazing because I thought I was gonna have to get like stitches, and I was like, ah. But we'll do that round, and then I'll go back in 2 weeks to see if we need to do another round and go from there. So all good things. I'm gonna make some lunch now. Then I have a final interview coming up in like an hour and 30 minutes. It is a long time later. I actually just did my nails. I don't know if I mentioned that I'm going to F1 this weekend. Not by choice. But I was like, yeah, we should do our nails. So I put some Gel X on. It came out okay. Some of them are a little more coffin and some are a little more oval. I'm not the best at shaping, but I didn't want them to be too long, so I kind of tried to shape them down. And the color is Movie Buff. Again, I just really like that pink color right now. So all is done for the evening. I'm gonna go, ooh, there it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. I need to kill this fly right now. It's gigantic. I need to kill it. Bye. Sorry for the commotion, you guys. I cannot believe I caught that on camera. I thought I killed it, and then it like crawled under our dishwasher, which is like stress. But I thought I killed it and like it was dead, you know? And then all of a sudden it just comes flying up, and I was like, holy. So we killed it now, and now I get to clean it up. Or maybe I don't, well, no, I gotta clean it up. Okay, that's all, you guys. See you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. We're about to go to Pilates. I actually just found this necklace. It's from the M Jewelers. Remember when we all used to have like those initial chokers? I found this one and I thought it was so pretty. It just has like a lowercase letter A on it. And I was like, this is cute. Here's my outfit for Pilates. Surprisingly, beige and gray go together in a way that I didn't know I'd like. So we're gonna go, and then this guy is really mad, so it does not look great, but what are you gonna do? In other news, I've sloppily packed for Miami. This is like my night out dinner outfit. I have 2 daytime outfits for F1. This one's like a white on white, and then a black with like a blouse, and then I'm bringing jean shorts just in case, some sweat shorts, this t-shirt, and then I'll probably pack like one athleisure outfit for the plane and maybe like a t-shirt. And then I'm bringing my sandals, and then probably just some white sneakers. I don't even think I'm gonna wear sneakers, but if I'm gonna wear any, they'll be white. And that's kind of it. We're traveling light because it's really only 2 days. So don't need to go crazy. It's a little bit later and it's time to open some packages. So I got a package from Static Nails. It's actually a PR package. And Static Nails, they're known for their like pop-on manicures. They also have a magnetic lash line, and that's what I wanted to try. So I got these two here. I just dropped that. Subtly Sexy, which is this one up top, and then Take What I Want. You guys can tell that this one is a lot more natural than this one. They look really good quality, and then I also got the glue that goes with it, and that's what just dropped under the table. So this is the lash adhesive. It's non-toxic. It goes on like an eyeliner and then you pop the lash on. I've never actually tried that, so I may try that at some point, maybe in Miami because I'm going this weekend. Then I got another pair of jeans, I know, but I wanted a new pair of cream colored pants, although I think these might be white, which is a little unfortunate. Okay, these are cute. They're also from Girlfriend. I'm just worried they're gonna be, oh no, they look really good. They actually look good. Okay, let's try these on. Okay, I bought an Amazon dupe of the denim Jody bag from Bottega. And it was $45. It comes in this really shitty dust bag. Oh my god, the bag smells so bad, you guys. It's cute though, but I'm immediately taking it outside because it smells really bad. Okay, you guys, I'm a little bummed. The jeans fit, but you can't see that they're super low to my ankle. I'll show you guys in the mirror. They are just like really cropped, like ready for the high waters. And I feel like it's okay to wear these with like a heel. They're also mid-rise, like they are below my belly button. But you definitely cannot be wearing these with sneakers. Like these just look silly, so I don't know. But I got them for, you know, $15 on Poshmark. So like it is what it is. We'll make do with them, but. All right, I've been an absolute vegetable just scrolling on TikTok. But I did my makeup. Looks pretty good. And I stuffed my bag. So she's finally like in the shape that I want her to be. She still kind of smells, but we'll deal with it. And now I'm going to pick out an outfit. I actually returned the belt that was in the last vlog, I believe, because that belt, the like leather was super like shiny and the coating was weird. And I don't know, I think I liked it initially, but I wasn't sure. And I got this one instead. This is the IRO belt, and it is gold instead of silver, but I like that it's kind of like, you know, it's not like a very yellow gold. I would say it's more muted. It still has that detailing that I really liked about the other belt. It is a little bit bigger, but we're gonna make an outfit around this. I have the outfit, which is really boring. It's all because I wanna wear my new bag, and I wanted something really simple. We're going to dinner in Greenpoint, so it's like really casual. Brandy Melville long sleeve. Oops, there's a little fluff on it. Comfortable, cute, whatever. And then I'm wearing my Girlfriend denim jeans again. I'm obsessed with these. Gonna have the belt with it, so it gives a little attitude. And then I'm gonna put my oversized blazer on top. This one's from ALC. And let's throw that together and see if we like it. You guys see my outfit? Yeah, you guys can see me now. So this is one of those times where I kind of wish I had a normal blazer, but because this was like kind of a pricey blazer, I only have one. I love it, but the pants are also a little bit wide, so it looks a little bit baggy. But I do really like it with the loafers. I'm wearing Prada loafers. And then, like, this is the vision with the bag. I don't know. It's pretty cute. It's very matchy-matchy, but I kind of love it, and I kind of love the baggy look. And then you've got the belt to kind of make it look a little bit girly. I don't know, you guys. I'm feeling myself. I think this is cute. We're going with it. I'm laughing because you could totally wear this to work too. Like, it's not even like that revealing, but I love that. I'm like, great, casual, easy, done. I'm gonna quickly film a TikTok for this outfit. I'm gonna text share, and then I'll be on my way. So I'm not gonna bring you guys to the restaurant. I haven't seen her in a while, but we are going to a new one. I'll definitely leave it below if you're interested. And otherwise, yeah, follow me on TikTok, because I'll probably do a TikTok vlog of it.